Tips and tricks how to make your Cybertruck more powerful. I was thinking to make put a big exhaust pipe, so make the engine more powerful. I was thinking that maybe I can use this as a trolley bus. Just take the power from the village electricity.